Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to flip your door handle for 4G design. Okay, so here I have one example where I'm using the panel as for 4G door handle. Okay, so in our material library, cloud library, we'll only have on to the side of right and left, which is right and left, and also up. Okay, there's no way for you to choose any other direction. Okay, so in order for you to flip your door panel, okay, let's say here I have one example where my the handle is on my right side. Okay, let's say I want to flip it downward. So you can click on your door, and then you will have the door info panel on your right side. You can scroll down until you see there's special parameters. Okay, under special parameters, we call it buckle position. So you can change your buckle position to which direction that you want to put as for your door handle. So let's say I want to change it to downward. Okay, so here we have D, which is the downward. So you can click on D. Automatically the handle will change. And then let's say you want to change everyone with the same handle position. So you can just use the painter, and then you take style material painter, take from the initial, and then you copy it to the other side. Okay, right click to cancel. And then same goes to the bottom. Let's say you just want to change the handle to on top. Okay, click on your door, under special parameters, change it to top. And then you can just use the material painter, style painter, take the initial design that you have changed and paste it to the other way. Right click to cancel. So you will have your handle on at the bottom. Right? So that's all from me. Thank you.